Hello guys, and here today I'll be showing you how to make a main menu in Roblox Studio. So let's begin. But first of all, please like and subscribe. First of all, it will help my channel out. And second of all, you might learn something new. So anyways, let's begin. So first of all, go on to view and then click Explorer and Properties. This will allow you to look at the properties of the object in Explorer. And make sure you've got your output just in case as well. So if there's any errors in the script, it will show in red and it will just show the error in red in the output. So anyways, I made this kit for you guys. Link in the description below. Sorry guys. And just put started UI into started UI and then you've got this. Whoa. Okay, so you might be a bit lost or you might be a bit confused. So first of all, let's just ungroup this. Then you've got your screen GUI, main frame, and you've got all of these. So play button is basically the button that you press play and then it will disappear. And title of your game here. So this is the title of your game. These two. Oh, okay. So these two are the title of your game. So select these two text labels. Then go down here and just set it to whatever you want. So maybe your game is called Piggy, which probably not, but as you can see, you've got that. And then you can switch the color to whatever you like. If you go down here, text color free, and then you can switch it to whatever you like. So for instance, you've got that. But then you might be saying, that looks ugly, ew. So here's how we fix that. So you make, well, as you can see, you've got the same color, then you make it darker. Oh, wrong one. So let's just make this one lighter. And let's make this one darker. I keep messing up, keep selecting the wrong one. Okay, so this one's lighter, and let's make this one darker. Alright, so there we go. You could just change it to whatever. So this is basically 3D. This is the background. So if you want, you could change the font. For instance, the cartoon. And yeah, so let's just click play real quick. And after when we've clicked play, then you'll load in. Oh, let me just close Explorer and Properties. And as you can see, you've got Piggy, the ripoff. Then when you click play, then it disappears and you're in your game. And the leave button, when you click leave, then it will kick you out the game. And it says you were kicked from this game, you left the game. Alright, so now I'm going to explain the scripts and where the scripts are. So as you can see, inside mainframe, you've got local script. Double click on it to go inside the script. And as you can see, we've got our locals and everything. So let's just make this look better. Yep. So local play button, so we're referencing this. So the play button. And we'll just make it easier for us so we don't have to type in game.workspace.started.UI and blah blah blah. We could just type in .play button and then we could type in whatever you want. So when the play button's clicked, that's going to function and the main frame is going to set its visibility to false. Then when we click our quit button, then it's going to say local player and then it will kick you from the game, and this is what message you want. So for instance, this one's you left the game and I would keep it you left the game, or if you want you could change it. And yeah, that's basically it. So let me just put this back to the font I want. So well, actually let's change it to my game. There you go. I don't really like this color as well, so let's just change it. Boom, alright. And let's set it, not background. Let's set this to black. Like that. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.